Hello, we're up to day 167 of 365 days of art in nature. Today's prompt, blank page, and we've got a sleeping animal at the bottom there. Fill the page with sheep. Simple as that. So you can choose whatever medium you like. That definitely looks like watercolour and pencil. That's been used there. So yeah, go crazy. You can do sheep, rams, lambs. You can put them in a scene. They can be in groups. But, you know, use your imagination. There's lots of different ways that you can draw sheep. And let your imagination run wild with that one. Have fun. Thanks for watching.